how to install Ziggy on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can install Ziggy on your phone. So how do you go about it? The first step is to open your mobile phone, head over to your Play Store or your App Store, Apple Store, depending on where you get your application from, and then click on the search button by the bottom right corner. Then click on the search box and then type out the name of the application, which is Ziggy. All right, and then the application will be displayed on your screen. Now I have the application installed already, that's why it is showcasing this, but for you see the option cancel and then install. So just click on install, and then it might take a while, wait for it to be downloaded, and then it will install automatically on your phone. It is that simple and straightforward. Just find your way to your Play Store, to your Apple Store, to any application store where you can download application, and then type out Ziggy in the search box. Then you can see the name displayed and the logo. This is how the logo looks like. Then click on install and the application will be downloaded and installed. And once it is done installing, it will look like this. So click on open to launch the application, create an account, and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.